Video calls let you see your loved ones, no matter where they are. With just a few taps, you can share a smile, a story, or a special moment. In this video, we'll show you how to download WhatsApp and make your first video call, step by step. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp on your iPhone for the very first time. Let's get started. First, find the App Store on your iPhone. It's a default app that's already installed. Go ahead and tap to open it. Once inside the App Store, you'll notice your profile icon in the top corner. Tap on that and make sure you're signed into your Apple account. If you're not, sign in now, or if you don't already have one, you can quickly set up a free Apple ID with a password. This step is important because you need to be signed in before you can download apps. Now that's done, go back to the search tab and type in WhatsApp. You'll see it pop up as WhatsApp Messenger with millions of ratings. Select it, then tap the Get button. The button will spin for a moment and then change to install. Tap that and the download will begin. Depending on your iOS version, you might be asked to enter your password. Confirm with Face ID by double tapping the side button, or enter your iPhone passcode. As you can see, the app is now downloading. Once it finishes, you'll find WhatsApp on your iPhone. If it's not visible right away on your home screen, you can swipe over to the app library on the last page where new apps appear under Recently Added. From there, you can press and hold the icon to add to home screen, so it's easier to access. Once it's on your home screen, tap to open it, and you're ready to set up and start using WhatsApp on your iPhone. I'm going to walk you through how to download and install WhatsApp on an Android phone. All right, let's jump straight in. Step 1, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You'll need this in order to download any apps. Once you're connected, open up the Google Play Store and head into your account. Double check that you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, just sign in first. After that, use the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. When you see it come up, it's the one with hundreds of millions of reviews. Tap on it, then hit the install button. This will automatically start downloading and installing the app. You'll notice the progress bar showing the download. Once it finishes, you can swipe up to find WhatsApp in your apps list. Tap on WhatsApp to open it, choose your language, and follow the on-screen steps to get set up. After that, you'll be ready to start using WhatsApp right away, and that's it. That's how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android phone. Once WhatsApp is installed, tap the green WhatsApp icon to open it. Go to your chats list and tap on the person you'd like to call. If you don't see them yet, you can add them as a new contact using their phone number. Inside the chat, look to the top right corner and tap the video camera icon. This starts your WhatsApp video call. And that's it. You're connected. Now you can share smiles, stories, and special moments with your loved ones wherever they are. With WhatsApp, video calling is simple. And remember, if you ever need a hand, Care in Hand is here to help.